I've been pouring my soul into songwriting since I was just 14. It's been a lifelong ache that never fades. Every lyric I've crafted is a thread from the tattered stories of my life. Each one a heavy burden for a man who's lived through it all. Some melodies drain me to my core. Their pain too vast to capture in words, while others well up tears that spill silently from my eyes. Many of them shatter my heart into pieces. Among the few hundred songs I've written, this one stands as the hardest to express. Sorrow too deep to tame. Excuse me if I let a tear fall from my eyes. Sometimes even a man has to cry. I've always been kind, with a heart so true. Wrapped your gifts in ribbons, left them just for you. You smiled for a while when the need was met, but then turned so cruel, a pain I can't forget.
All I ever wanted was to see you shine, to bring you joy, make your world divine. But your words cut deep like a sharpened blade. Still I stayed in shadows, no favors repaid.
I gave you my all, never asked for more, but your meanness lingered right down to the core. In the quiet I tried to make your dreams come true, yet all I got back was the cold from you. Maybe it's just part of who I am, you see. A sharpness in my soul, it's always been me.
I took what you gave, felt the warmth for a while,
But the kindness you offered, it faded my smile.
I gave you my all,
Never asked for more, but your meanness lingered right down to the core. In the shadows I stood to make your dreams come true, yet all I got back was a cold from you. As long as I remember, your words were so unkind.
still I lingered near with a love so blind.
Every need you had, I'd quietly fulfill.
But your cruelty remained, breaking my will.
No ribbons now, no gifts to send your way.
I'll step from the shadows, let kindness decay.
You sang it's your nature, but I can't stay to see.
The meanest part of you was always aimed at me.
Your words and actions always cut so deep. A wound that lingers, a pain I keep.
They said you hurt the ones you love.
birds flew. I wrapped your gifts in ribbons, left them at your door. You smiled for a moment, then turned cruel once more. All I wanted was to see your happiness grow,
Yet your cruelty persisted,
a harsh cold blow.
I gave you my all, never sought a return, but your meanness burned, left my heart to yearn.
In the shadows I stood to make your dreams take flight.
Still your words and actions haunted me each night.
Maybe it's my nature, a flaw I can't hide, a sharpness in my soul where kindness died.
I took what you gave, felt the warmth subside,
But your gentle efforts I pushed aside.
I gave you my all, never sought a return,
But your meanness burned, left my heart to yearn. In the shadows I stood
to make your dreams take flight. Still, your words and actions haunted me each night.
Someone whispered love hides in the hurt you send,
But no love was spoken, just cruelty to mend.
I thought your words mean your actions so